How to create a professional Outlook mail signature. First, we open a Microsoft Word document. Here we see a complete signature. We create same to like this. To follow this step, how to create same to this signature. We take two row from table. Here copy your company logo and paste here, and copy your information and paste here, then drag to position. Okay, now we remove this table border and copy this signature, then open your mail, go to new mail and click signature option, then click new option, then write here name and another things. Then you write your best triggers or receive like this. Then we paste our signature here. Then here you see select your name or and click OK. Now check this signature, click new mail and see here our signature is completed. Thank you.